The Google Fiber Self-Installation Kit comes with everything you need to get your Google Fiber service up and running at home. This video will take you through the steps to get set up. In your box, you'll find 1 to 4 Google Wi-Fi points, depending on the pack that you have ordered. A power adapter for each Google Wi-Fi point, a power adapter for the fiber jack, an Ethernet cord, and your quick start guide. You'll be connecting your Google Wi-Fi into your Google Fiber jack, which has already been installed in your home by one of our technicians. You'll also need a smartphone or tablet. The fiber jack is where the internet signal enters your home. It's normally in the living room, or it may be in a closet or media panel. If you don't see a fiber jack and you live in an apartment, you may be connecting to an Ethernet wall plate. Connect the fiber jack power adapter from the fiber jack to a wall outlet. Your fiber jack will flash red until ready. When ready, the light will turn blue. Connecting Google Wi-Fi. Flip over your Google Wi-Fi. Connect the power adapter cord from your Google Wi-Fi to a power outlet. Then connect the Ethernet cable from the green port on the bottom of your Google Wi-Fi to the Ethernet port on your fiber jack or wall plate. When connected properly, your Google Wi-Fi will slowly pulse blue to indicate it's powered on and ready for setup. Download the Google Wi-Fi app, which is available for free on Google Play for Android or Apple's App Store for iOS. When you're done downloading, open the app. When prompted by the app for your account, sign in using the same Google account information you used to sign up for Google Fiber. When prompted by the app, point your phone at the QR code and follow the instructions. The app will ask you to personalize your Wi-Fi network name and password and walk you through the remaining steps. If you have any additional Google Wi-Fi points, you can set them up to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Placing Google Wi-Fi points about 2 rooms away from each other is a good rule of thumb. We recommend placing your Google Wi-Fi points in an open space. Remember, you can tell the Google Wi-Fi app where you placed your Wi-Fi points. You are now ready to start enjoying fast, reliable internet from Google Fiber. Your Google Wi-Fi will automatically update its software to keep giving you the best service and features. You can use your Google Wi-Fi app to share your Wi-Fi connection with guests without sharing your password, see what devices are connected, and even set up parental controls. As a final step, be sure to download the Google Fiber app for free on the Google Play Store or App Store. You can connect with support, view your Google Fiber bill, run speed tests, and see your plan details. Need help? Visit our help center at support.google.com/fiber or contact us through the Google Fiber app. For more information about how to make the most of your new internet, visit our website at fiber.google.com or check out our social media channels. Welcome to Google Fiber.